Hey everyone, today I'm at a rehearsal dinner at a winery in Philadelphia. So let me just show you my setup real quick. This is my Sony A7s3 with the Tamron 28-75. I'm using the Weeble 3S on top of a monopod, and then we have two Action 5 Pro, and also the Action 5, the third Action 5 Pro is in my hand now. I'm shooting with it, and I just got a new cart. Let me show you. This is the Max Sports XL. So this is much better than what I was doing before. I had one of those rolling carts, and it was a mess. I saw a couple of guys using this, and I decided to get one from Costco. It's cost me like $120, so I think you should consider getting one of these. And then for lighting, because this is a rehearsal dinner, I'm here to mostly shoot speeches, so I have a light because just in case the speeches it gets dark and inside of here is dark, so I just have one light. I'm not doing too much. It's right there, and that is the Ulanzi UL 120 watt light. And then I have this camera here, another A7S Mark III on a tripod, and this is to capture whoever is speaking. I'm going to capture them with that. So I'm gonna, once I capture in the main person with this camera, I'm gonna be capturing reaction, bride and groom reaction with another Sony A7S, and also I have the action cameras I can place all around to capture the everyone else. So yeah, it's gonna be cool. I just did a drone shot. Let me just show you that shot right now. And that's it. That was a nice little drone shot. I'm about to get ready to shoot this event in about 10 minutes. And let me just show you some of the shots that I've gotten. So don't forget, like and subscribe. I'm always taking you behind the scenes of events, showing you how it's done, and thanks for watching.